Slaylet's here. And this is about my sister Shayna. She can get kind of physically violent. When we had our barbecue, I decided to go inside and watch TV, and Dad got inside to see all of us inside. I chose to go inside so I can gather his way. He doesn't like people crowding him in. So Shayna decides to talk to Dad, and well, after he left, she came to me, and after a talk about he's not really my dad and stuff, she kneeled down and said, "You need to start thinking of other people." I do think of other people. Okay. Well, this is the worst she's ever ever done to me. She used to, well, when I was little in kindergarten, we used to live in a farmhouse. And if she gets mad, she will choke me, get into my face, if I pissed her off. And sometime later, I was getting, like in the early 2010s, 2013 or 13, I wanted a portable GameCube thing. There was this orange GameCube thing online. I showed Seth, and she got into my face again and shouted. Because of our mom's genes, and I might as well make this a sort of my mom and Shayna, my sister. My mom took over my grandmother's stand when she was a teenager. When she decided to rule, she married 3 men. A guy named Keating, a guy named Lutz, my real father, and then she didn't really marry this other guy who is now our stepdad / real dad, Charles Cresswell. You can say she was kind of a slut back then. Well, anyway, back to Shayna. She can get physically violent. We are not really too good of, our youngsters and stuff. We're not too careful. Like, we only know that beating is the only reason for teaching the youngsters a lesson. And when Dad can get physically violent too. Before the barbecue, the day before the barbecue, when Shayna was here, he was teaching me how to tie knots, and his knot was taking too long. He would keep repeating himself and stuff. And he just kept doing it over and over again. His threats are either getting rid of the Wi-Fi and stuff, or just shouting at me. Some nights ago, I immediately laid it out on him. I really punched him in the nose. He is really not such a gentle giant. I gotta go.